Try the hummus. This best hummus in Dubai. You cannot find.
It's the best hummus, right? Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mansoor Sajjad. Dubai food tour is incomplete without having falafel and hummus. So today we are going to a very special place which serves the authentic Arabic food. This place is called Arabian Tea House. It's a delightful spot and I would say कि आप लोग इसको day time में visit करें. They have a wide range of menu, but we were looking for hummus and falafel. तो हमने वो order किया और उस पे आपको अपना feedback भी देंगे and we'll tell you कि ये किस तरीके से prepare करते हैं. कॉल्ड अरेबियन टी हाउस और यहाँ पर हम यहाँ का जो फलाफल है और हुमस है दैट इज़ प्रीटी मच फेमस, वो हम ट्राई करेंगे यहाँ पर. हेलो सुबेन. हेलो सुबेन. बेसिकली फलाफल और हुमस जो है वो सर्व हो गया टेबल पे एंड ही इज़ योर फ्रेंड एंड ही विल एक्सप्लेन यू गाइस अबाउट द फलाफल एंड हुमस हाउ इट इज़ बेसिकली कुक्ड.
Hi guys, how are you? This is the falafel. This is best falafel in Dubai. Falafel is we make it by chickpeas and beans. Okay, we'll boil the chickpeas for 24 hours. Okay, and beans. And when it's coming speak after 24 hours, we'll boil it in water. We'll mix it together with the vegetables, kind of vegetables, onion, garlic, cardamoms, corianders, parsley. After that, we'll put the sesame seeds and our spices, our special spices. Okay, and we'll start to put it in oil. We'll fry it, coming like this.
It's a donut shape.
Yeah, like donuts. It's a crispy from outside and from inside.
Yeah, right.
We can mix it with tahina sauce. Tahina sauce is kind of sauce, you know, we make it by yogurt and sesame oils with lemon juice and garlic. We serve with the fresh vegetables and the fresh tandoori bread. About the hummus also will put the chickpeas in water 24 hours. After that, we put carbonates. We cook it for 5 to 6 hours. Nice coming paste. Okay, we mix it with the tahina. Tahina has been sesame oils. We'll put lemon, salt and fresh oils. Okay, vegetable oils. Make it together in the machine. It's coming like this. We put in the tops our we can put pomegranate seeds, sumac powder, and the fresh breads.
And it's olive oil on the top.
Yeah, olive oil in the tops.
Right. Okay, it looks amazing and the falafel is basically taste भी इसका बड़ा like ज़बरदस्त taste है. And we'll just try the hummus as well.
You have to try the hummus. This best hummus in Dubai. You cannot find.
It's the best hummus, right? This is why we came here.
Yeah.
And
You hear about it?
yes, we hear about it.
Nice.
Tasty,
Yeah,
very tasty.
tasty, yeah.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you guys.
Let
Thank
us
you.
enjoy the meal.
Enjoy.
And then we'll get back to you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Somin.
Nice to
It's
meet you.
Nice food, and
thank you.
inshallah we'll come again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you soon.
Okay, boss. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we're leaving from Arabian Tea House now. और फूड यहाँ का बड़ा ज़बरदस्त था और सबसे बढ़कर यहाँ का जो एम्बियंस और डेकोर है वो बड़ा ट्रेडिशनल है और बड़ा लोकलाइज किस्म का है और सारा जो फॉरेनर है वो यहाँ पर आकर लाजमी जो लोकल अरेबियन फूड है वो लाजमी खाता है। तो आप लोग भी जब विज़िट करें दुबई, सो दिस प्लेस इज़ हाईली रिकमेंडेड। और दिस इज़ डन फॉर टुडे एंड वेट फॉर अवर नेक्स्ट एपिसोड। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड नेक्स्ट एपिसोड इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग। और उसमें हम आपके लिए अथेंटिक अरेबियन मंदी लेकर आ रहे हैं एंड यू नीड टू वॉच दैट वीडियो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल। खुदा हाफिज़।